This is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by launching the Google Play Store app. Then here tap at your profile picture, open the Play Protect page, and perform the scan for harmful apps. And if this tool will find any harmful apps installed on your device, make sure to uninstall those apps right afterwards. Then what you might also want to do is to resort to some third-party antivirus solutions such as Avast, for example, or if you know any other application, you can go with an alternative app that is entirely up to you. So simply install this app and follow the instructions that it will provide you with to check your system for viruses and other security threats. And the final thing that you may want to check is the list of device administrators. So launch your device's settings, go into search, admin, device admin apps, here it is, and look through this list and see if any suspicious app has this permission. And what is most important, check if you see the app you do not recall providing this permission to, having this permission active. And if it is true, if you find such app, make sure to deactivate this permission. So that's how the active access looks like. So simply deactivate it by switching off the toggle and uninstall this app right away. And on top of that, you can also make sure that your security protocols and system software in general is up to date. So go into settings once again, then security and privacy. Here go into updates. So start with security update and check for available security updates. So as you can see, I have an available update I can install. So press the install now button if you also have them. And also check the Google Play system update. And once your system is up to date, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.